Hey guys, we're having a beautiful day here today. We've had a few days of rain, and today it's not raining. It is nice and sunny outside. So I wanted to show you the garden. Let's start here with the lobelia. They are so gorgeous. I just love them. Love those purple flowers. They're so, I don't know, elegant or something. I'm going to make sure to plant lots of those next year. And so here we have the uh, green stalk that has the broccoli there, the lone broccoli plant. I don't think it's going to grow ahead because it hasn't. I see no signs of a head growing, and it's so huge already. I'm not giving up though. Who knows? It might still head. And look at that Swiss chard. Isn't that gorgeous? It is so beautiful. My collards still doing great. I need to get in there and start harvesting some. I haven't yet. Actually, those are collards and rutabagas, and this is another. These are where most of the other broccoli plants are, and they're not heading either. So I don't know what I'm doing. If it's something that I'm doing, or if it's my climate, or what. I'm in zone 9A, and look at this calendula. It is showing off. It is showing out. Only one plant. That's only one plant there. It's gorgeous. And the same thing for the dill. Look at that dill. All of them are just showing out. So this is my line of green stalks. I have 8 total. I still have 2 in the house that I need to bring outside, 2 that I've never used before, and I'll most likely plant those up in the spring. That little short yellow and lavender one there, I just put together temporarily. These are Brussels sprouts in here, by the way, and garlic. Notice how the garlic is just growing. And the Brussels sprouts, I have never grown any of these things before. So all of this is new to me. And I have never even seen Brussels sprouts growing in person in real life. So that's how new it is for me. But I think I'm beginning to see some little bitty tiny buds maybe that's coming on the Brussels sprouts. It might be my imagination. I don't know. But they're beautiful plants. And boy, I tell you, if I had planted Brussels sprouts next to broccoli, I would not know the difference. I don't think I would be able to tell the difference until one of them started producing. See- Yeah, see, I don't see any on this one, but I think I saw some on another one, or saw 1 or 2 buds, perhaps. It might be this one. Well, maybe not. And I don't know what this squash plant is doing. It should be dead by now, I would think, but it's trying to grow. And I don't remember which squash plant it is, but it's trying to do something. I hand pollinated one. Oh, look at that leaf-footed bug. But I hand pollinated one or two of those just to see if anything would happen. But most likely before the winter is over, they will die. But that's it for today. I thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me in the garden. See you next time. Bye.